Shaswa and today we will see the solve exercise of HTML. Chapter 8. First, fill in the blanks. Dash is the most efficient way of presenting information in a precise manner. It should be list. Dash and indents each item in the list and adds a bullet against each item, that is unordered list. The dash is used to specify the distance between the borders of the adjacent cells in a table, that is border spacing property. The dash attribute of the OL tag puts the list in descending order, that is the reverse order. List will display in reverse manner. A dash is used to present a list of definition for term, that is the description list, and DL tag is used for that purpose. Now we have to see true or false. An ordered list automatically starts with the number 0. False. It starts with the number 1. The list style type property specifies the types of item list marker that will be used as a bullet. True. The TR tag must always be present inside the row tag TD. False. Row tag is the TR tag and TD is always present inside the TR tag. The tag DT is used to define the term. True. We can define the property. We can define the term using the DT. We can define the term using the DT. The default value of empty cell property is high. True. Now MCQ. Unordered list is also known as bulleted list. By default, ordered list always start with 1. With dash property, you can specify the position of list item marker, that is the list style position. In description list, the dash tag is used to describing each term or the name, that is DD tag. The dash property helps in specifying the placement of a table caption, that is the caption child, and caption tag is used to add the heading of the table. Now we have to see question answer. Differentiate between UL and OL tag. UL stands for unordered list, OL stands for unordered list. UL is used when the items are not required to be displayed in any particular sequence, and OL is used to display the item of list in a specific order. UL tag is also known as bulleted list. OL is also ordered list, is also called the numbered list. UL tag adds a bullet against each item in the list, and OL tag gives a number to each item in the list. UL tag does not support start and reverse attribute, but with the OL tag we can use start attribute. Using that we can specify the number, and from that list will be started, and the reverse attribute, using that list will display in reverse manner. Now the question number 4, 2 and 3. Question number 2 and 3 you have to complete using notes. Now the short notes for the different points. List style image. Using this property you can specify an image. Syntax is given. List style image value, where you have to specify you have to use the URL and then the name of the image. List style. This is a shorthand property wherein all the list properties can be specified in one declaration. List style value, where value you have to specify value for their type, position, image, for everything. Empty cell. This property helps in specifying whether or not the border and background are to be placed around empty cells in a table. Empty cells value, by default value is hidden. Thank you.